Good morning. I welcome you all to Rishikul Online School. This is Nisha Sharma, your teacher of English, with Module 3 of the poem A Legend of Northland. Stanza 6. And being faint with fasting, for the day was almost done, he asked her from her store of cakes to give him a single one. In the earlier modules, I have told you that in this poem, Saint Peter is preaching on the earth. And he had been walking on the earth, and it has been long time that he has eaten something or he has eaten anything. And he was being faint. He was almost fainting due to fasting. Why fasting? Because he has not eaten anything since the morning. For the day was almost done. The day was about to finish, about to come to an end. So Saint Peter was very hungry. He asked her from her store of cakes to give him a single one. And he asked her, who is her here? She is a little woman who was baking cakes. So Saint Peter asked her from her store of cakes to give him only a single cake. He was so hungry that he wanted only one single cake from the little woman. So she made a very little cake, but as it baking lay, she looked at it and thought it seemed too large to give away. So, on the request of Saint Peter, the little woman made a very small cake. But when it was baking there, she looked at the cake and she thought that this cake was too big to be given away to somebody. She thought that this cake was a large cake and it cannot be given to anyone. So what she did? Therefore she needed another and still a smaller one. But it looked when she turned it over as large as the first had done. So what did she do? She needed another cake, of another cake, and still a smaller one. And this dough was very small. But it looked when she turned it over as large as the first had done. But when she baked the cake and she turned it over to see whether it was cooked or it was properly baked or not, she found that it was also as large as the first was there. So, mean to say that even she was not ready to give the second cake to Saint Peter. Then she took a tiny scrap of dough and rolled it flat and baked it thin as a wafer, but she could not part with that. Now what she did? She took a very tiny scrap, very tiny piece of dough, and she rolled it flat. As we roll the chapatis in the same manner, she rolled that piece of dough and baked it thin as a wafer. And due to the rolling, it was just as a thin piece as we see as the wafers are there. So when she baked it, it was just like a thin wafer. But she could not part with that. But that lady was so greedy, that woman was so greedy that she did not give even that wafer, that small wafer, that thin wafer to Saint Peter. What does it show? It shows that the lady was very, very greedy. She wanted to give anything to anyone, whether it was a saint, whether it was a hungry person, there was anyone. So, this is the end of today's module. I'll be meeting you tomorrow with another module. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.